How's it going, everybody? Yeah, I didn't film anything really too much, but today we're gonna put the other door together and possibly set the engine down in the truck. I don't know. We will see. I got these two doors put together. Put this one together yesterday, and let me tell you what. They are not nearly as much fun as the front ones, because you only have this little hole here to put everything in. Oh, that's the other thing we can do too. We can put the drip rails on. I don't know about trim. We could probably put on what I have, but I don't have all of it. I'm gonna wait for the mirrors, because they're big 5-post mirrors. I'm gonna wait for those until after I get the truck buffed out, so that it's not a pain to buff around them. And yeah, so I'm gonna say let's go ahead and get started on this.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to...
Alright, so worked on getting that door put together. I got it all thrown in there, all the bits and pieces, except for the door handle down there and stuff. But yeah, it's stuck. I'm not sure what's going on there, so I guess we'll dive into that and go from there.
Let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Love the chase and the hunting, I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wait.
All right, there we go. All put together. Everything works. Ta-da! I need to get clips that hold the rods on. 2 for this door, 1 for this door, because can't open this door from the outside. But just get those. I gotta finish putting the other door over there together. If you notice, I don't have this door handle on, or this door panel mount put on there. But yeah, this door does work. I got chicken. So I think next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna stuff that beautiful thing in. Maybe. Issue I have is I don't have a, in there, you can see the back of the transmit, or the center plate of the transmission. I don't have a flywheel or clutch for it yet. So putting it in is kind of a pain, because that means I got to pull it back out, or at least pull the trans out, which I can do from the bottom side. So I might wait on that. Might throw out a little short video that's literally just on that door, because it's been, I think this is going on 2 weeks now since I posted a video on the truck. So I think I'll throw one out, go make it, put it together now, and we'll go from there. I'll put out the next video when I have parts to put on. So like the videos. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that if you'd like to see more on this thing.